Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Get in here, buddy. A little bit. That black worm, man, I'm telling you, they can't resist it. Come here, buddy. Yeah. All right, guys, still using the black and red, black Yum 10-inch, I guess. Look at there. Let's get them back in the water. Patrick. Catfish. Catfish.
Oh.
Big head catfish. Do it count? Ugh. It's a big dude here. It's a what? Ugh. Get ready to get slimy. Man, this dude got a head on him. Oh, came right out. Y'all check this out, guys. I don't know if this counts or not. But I'm going to put it in the video. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Ugh. Patrick, I'm definitely going to have to come here again. Let's get him in the water. Ugh. Yes, sir. I just wish they had some size to them. But that's all right, though. It's first day out here. Man, I'm enjoying this, Patrick. Y'all look at this. Nice ones. I'm serious. Let's get them back in the water. Thank you, buddy. This is crazy. I'm serious, man. I'm really enjoying this. I'm serious. I'm serious. It's them black worms, man. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for visiting. Oh, yeah.